Hey guys, we just got caught in action. As you just saw, it was a private tour for the Bentley Residence, and they had to ask because this looks intriguing, and we told them iTints, from clear glass to privacy glass with the touch of a button.
iTints for that glass, step into the future. Upgrading your home like a facelift suture. Click clack for that glass, instant privacy, wow factor. Luxury finishes at your fingertips, impact windows are impactful. iTints for that glass, iTints for that glass, instant privacy, wow factor. Step into the future, into the future, into the future. Frame it up, make it clean, turn the plane into a scene. Luxury finishes at your fingertips, every room gets a facelift. When they get rolling, you boom back, built to impress, made to switch fast. iTints for that glass, iTints for that glass, instant privacy, wow factor. Step into the future, into the future, into the future. Open it up, let the day come through. Then lock it down when you secure your view. Dynamic on the surface, flawless with install. One small change and the house feels bountiful. iTints for that glass, iTints for that glass, instant privacy, wow factor for high class. Step into the future, the views are never truer.